Welcome to this video on an essential aspect of boosting your rooftop solar installation company's online visibility, the power of backlinks. Backlinks are like referrals in the digital world. They are links from other websites to your website. In the context of SEO, they play a crucial role in telling search engines that your content is valuable and worth sharing. Creating content that's worth linking to is key. Consider this: if your content is always centered around your products or features, it might not attract many backlinks. Think like a journalist, what would interest them? It's content that brings unique value. Perhaps you've conducted groundbreaking research in the solar field, or you've made an exciting industry announcement. These are the kinds of accomplishments that journalists, bloggers, and industry experts find worth sharing and linking to. When reputable websites link to your content, search engines view your website as authoritative. This authority for rooftop solar installers in India, local relevance is vital. Seek backlinks from Indian industry publications, directories, and community websites. Local backlinks not only drive traffic but also enhance your credibility within your target market. In conclusion, backlinks can be a game changer for your rooftop solar installation business. Remember, it's not about quantity, but quality. Strive to create content that captivates your audience and compels them to share. The more valuable and relevant backlinks you earn, the higher you'll rise in Google's search rankings.